We're excited to guide you through the installation of your Light Traveler's table bracket. Let's get started. Here's what you'll find in your LT table bracket kit. Step 1. Begin by removing the seatbelt bolt using a 17mm ratchet. Step 2. Place the LT table bracket on the B-pillar. Insert the seatbelt bolt through the top hole of the bracket. Tighten the bolt while applying pressure until it firmly grips the thread. Secure it tightly. Step 3. Ensure the bracket is aligned properly. Use the provided self-tapping screws to drill into the two small holes at the bottom of the bracket. These screws will pass through the plastic and into the B-pillar metal. Step 4. This bracket is designed for the Lagun mount, which is compatible with both the standard and second standard hole patterns. Place your desired Lagun mount on top of the LT bracket and secure it with the provided bolts. Step 5. Install the Lagun pole and table. You've successfully installed your Light Traveler's table bracket. The LT bracket is engineered to swivel the seat without removing the table and is designed for both the passenger and driver's seats. Enjoy your new and enhanced setup. Thank you for choosing Light Travelers.